Okay, so since Upwork seems to be going downhill, and I've kind of already declared 2026 to be the year of Contra, this month I'm going to go all in and bring you along for the journey so we can discover everything about Contra, max it out to its full potential. So I guess strap in and let's go. Okay, so for the game plan, what I'll do is I'll apply to jobs every day, which I think I've been doing. I'm recording this on March 6th, so bit of a late intro. Post in the community every day, which I haven't been doing, but I can start today. Nobody needs to know. Engage with others, also in the community, which I'll also start today. Participate in all the challenges, which I've participated in the challenge, what was it last week? The Figma challenge. But I also saw that there's a new challenge that's for Kittle that's starting in 4 days. I also want to try to get as many expert badges as I can. Now I have compiled all the expert badges there are currently, or at least at the time that I planned this video. There's Kajabi, Kit, Stripo, Page Deck, ReadyMag, Flora, Jitter. There's Kittle. There's Lumi, Love Art, Magic Path, Spline, Agent.so. Not familiar with that, but let's check it out. And General Assembly. So I want to try that. Let's explore, see how many we can get. And I also want to attempt to raise my discoverability score. It's currently at 186. Let's see what they have to say that we need to improve upon. Profile quality 100%, so no need to do anything on that. Profile completion 100%. Average rating 5 out of 5 stars. Availability is on. Contra Max, I have it for 6 out of 12 months. So nothing I can do on that as well. Inquiry response time 4 hours, which is not too bad. And then there's ways to boost your ranking. So earnings, I'm at 7,555, and the next boost comes at 10K. So hopefully I can get there. Maybe not this month unless I win a challenge, but we'll see. Number of reviews, I have 6. Next boost at 10. So we should maybe try to get 4 reviews. I think that's doable if I reach out to past clients. Number of verified projects. I need to look into this because it says it has high impact and I don't have any. Then there's replies received. Next boost at 35 and I'm at 33, so almost there. So if I do post in the community, we should get there in no time. Likes received 248 and next boost at 300. Yeah, we can get there soon as well, I think. We have 2 expert badges for HeyGen and anything. And next boost is at 3. So we definitely want to get 1 expert badge. So yeah, we have a game plan set up. I'll catch up with you soon. Alrighty. I don't know how long it's been, probably a week since I last updated you guys. Basically, I've been a little bit better at posting on my profile here on Contra. I won't say I post it every day, but I posted this kind of portfolio piece that I wanted to share for a while, and I've been posting daily updates on the latest challenge that I'm working on. It's the Kittle one, but I just went through and put together an even clearer game plan. So what I will try to do for this month, I don't think I will make it to 10K, let's be honest. But I can request reviews, and I put together a quick list, and I'll see if I can find the people. Okay, so I requested all the reviews I can remember. I need to reach at least 3 badges. CapCut, let's see. 3 portfolio projects, minimum of 2, highlighting CapCut. 2 services, 1 needs to be CapCut. Okay, this one can have CapCut because definitely one of the best for UGC style. Excuse my dog. I think this one was using CapCut as well. Okay, applied for that one. Let's see if we can have the Kittle one or if we need to wait a little bit longer. Who can join? Add Kittle expert to your bio. List Kittle as one of your preferred tools. Okay, I'll need to come back to this one then. I need to see if I can add a verified project, I think is what they call it. By the way, let's quickly have a look at what I've applied this far in March. And if you're not familiar, applying on Contra is free, unlike Upwork. So that means you're able to do a lot more. So how many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so more than 1 per day, which is not too shabby. If you want to pause to read it for any reason, these are the ones I sent today, actually. All right, it's March 30th, and I want to make an update about what we've done with Contra so far. So let's have a look at the discovery score. And by the way, I've been having so much fun with Contra challenges. I don't know, it just makes you break out of the rut that you may be in, because you get to learn new tools, you get to try different things. And I've been getting to work on projects with those challenges that I've been putting off for forever. So it's kind of a win-win situation. And it has also helped me post more in the community, which is great. So yeah, when we started, I believe we were at 180 points in the discovery score. Now we're at 202. The thing I need to work on is my profile quality, because as I added those verified projects, which by the way, let me show you how those turned out. Basically, those are projects that you list for work that you've done on Contra. So I have here 2 of those. You can see it has the verified badge. So this one I actually did for the Contra team, which is pretty cool. And this is for a client that I brought onto Contra. I'm really trying to move everything that I can over to Contra because I just like it much better. I know it's a smaller platform, but honestly, the thought behind it, the fact that we have a community, you also have 0 fees on your jobs, which is good. And you don't have to pay to apply to jobs, which is probably one of the best things. By the way, I'll have my Contra affiliate link below, as always, in case you're curious or you want to create an account. I don't really know what I get off of it, if anything, but I mean, if you're going to join anyway, just join through my link if you can. But yeah, I believe some of those projects that I went ahead and added were not like fully fledged because I was just trying to get some more projects on Contra. So I believe that's what I need to do because it says it needs a more engaging description. So I'll be working on that for sure. Earnings, as expected, I didn't reach 10K, but we're a little bit closer. Number of reviews, I was definitely hoping to get to 10. I did request a few, but none of them got back to me. So that's a little bit of a disappointment, but I'll have to try something else. Number of verified projects, we have 2 now. We began with 0, so that's great. Hopefully we can get to 4. Since I've been doing more jobs on Contra. So I do have a project finishing tomorrow at the end of this month. Replies received, I believe we were at 30 and we're almost at 50. So that's great. Maybe we can even reach 50 by the time this video is up. It's not that hard. Likes received, we're not going to get to 500, but I believe we jumped a level during this month. Expert badges, I did apply, as you saw, for the CapCut badge, but I didn't get it. I don't know if they're having a delay on that, but it didn't happen. Hopefully it will go through sometime this month or next month. Another thing I wanted to go through with you, just for funsies, because I always like these things, as a marketer myself, it's always fun to see, which is the analytics, and it will tell you, oh, I made $0. That's awesome. I actually didn't, but it's probably the work that I did is still in escrow or something. Active projects 3, again, that's the thing. Probably gonna get paid for those sometime this week. Invoices paid 0. I believe that's because I didn't work. Because Contra has different ways you can get paid. You can get paid in escrow, like Upwork fixed price. You can do hourly, and you can do just invoices. This shows you how many impressions you had on your profile, I'm guessing. So these are the people that saw my profile. So it peaked on March 17th and March 25th. 2 Wednesdays, actually. I don't know if that's a coincidence or if people are more active and looking for people to hire on Wednesdays. By search keyword, this is really interesting, and it's something that's gonna impact how I move going forward, because I've been really enjoying creating UGC content. What this is telling me is that I should maybe put more UGC work on my profile and my portfolio. It also shows the people that saw your portfolio. It shows that most people found me from Google. So by having a profile on Contra, I'm searchable on Google, which is pretty cool. Project views, most people saw my Hey Jen. Wow. Oh, I know why. Contra actually featured that one on the homepage. So that's why it has more views. Most viewed services is long-form video editing plus repurposing, which is not really surprising, actually. Then we have the full social media strategy, which I haven't done one in a while. So that's interesting. Leads, requests received. I actually got 2 yesterday, which was pretty fun on a Sunday. So that's interesting. So these are 5 clients that reached out to me without me having to apply to their job. So it's 400% more than last month. And applications, I said 57 applications this month. And actually, one of the Contra challenges, I'll try to link it below as well. If you saw my previous video, I believe I talked about how I was trying to build an AI proposal writer. That's what I started during one of the Contra challenges this month. But the current Contra challenge, that's for Notion. I've built another version of the AI proposal helper that I would have to say I'm liking a little bit more. It's less gamified, but it's more productivity based. If you want to test that out, let me know. Shoot me a message on Instagram and I'll send you that. I could always use your guys' feedback on it because Again, it's something I've been building for the past week or two, so it's still pretty new. I know it shows that I made $0 this month, but I believe I made, so I did have a project that was canceled, so I just made $100 from that one instead of the $250 that I was supposed to make. That's a story for another day if you'd like to hear about it. But I have another project going on that's for $500. Oh, and I have that other $600 client that I brought on to Contra. So that makes $1,200. So I made $1,200 on Contra this month. Is that good? Is that bad? I would say it's good. I think it's probably one of my best months on Contra so far. And it's been a slow year, by the way. I don't know if it has been that way for you guys too. I was talking to people on Threads last night, and a few people said that it's also been slow for them. So I don't know what's in the air right now. Okay, so if I've done the math correctly, this month I made the exact same on Upwork and Contra. You cannot make that shit up. I made 600 plus 500 plus 100 on Contra and 900 plus 300 on Upwork. That's fun. So Contra is definitely slowly taking over, which I'm liking. I know I talk a lot about Upwork on my channel, but I've been trying to move away and move closer to Contra. By the way, I'm wearing roller skates. So that's how I'm rolling around my office today. But yeah, I mean, I don't know if there's much more I can say as a conclusion to this. I know the title is like how much I made, so technically 1,200, which is not a lot, but for the amount of work that I did this month, I would say is good. And once again, I talked about this in a recent video of mine. For me, freelancing is not about like getting rich. It's about making enough money to comfortably live while, enjoying my free time with my goats and my cats and my dog and my husband and going to the beach. I went to the beach for the first time last week, this year, not for the first time ever. And I've been enjoying a lot working on the Contra challenges. That's the highlight for me of this month and of Contra so far, is challenging myself to try different tools, to, play around and just work on my projects that haven't left my head in such a long time. So I would say this is a positive outcome.